Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this into these beautiful Massai sandals. I have a tutorial on how to make this craft flower. I'll put the link in the description of this video. You will need a shoe sole, an insole. I have a tutorial on this. I'll also put the link in the description of this video. Tape, a shoe lace, leather, and contact adhesive gum. So we are going to start by making these two straps, this one and two here, then this one here. You are going to measure 1 by 4 inches by 4 inches and cut it out. So we are going to have two of the straps. The length is 4 inches while the width is 1 inch. For this front part, the length will be 3.5 inches while the width is 1.5 inches. So you let the gum dry and then you fold it just like this as you are seeing it. For this one that has the front part, you are going to measure 1 inch in the middle. This side, you measure 1 inch in the middle and cut it a bit. Then you fold it this way. Do the same thing on the other side. So I have this small cable. You measure 1 inch and cut. So you are going to place the cable in the middle like this so that you can fold it this way. Okay, well, you are going to apply glue on it first, then apply glue in the middle too and let it dry. After it dry, you put it in the middle like this, then fold it. So we are going to prick the side. This side, we will prick it so that we can sew. So but if you have a sewing machine, you can use it to sew, but if you don't have, you can use your needle and thread and sew it. So friends, if you are getting any value from this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, you might consider subscribing, because on this channel I always post tutorials on how to make craft flowers, craft sandals, and tutorial on crochet. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos whenever I upload. And thank you so much to all of you that have subscribed to this channel. Thank you so much. God bless you. You cut out the excess leather, but carefully cut it out with either scissors or a razor like this. So you're going to cut it round and remove the excess leather. So you can just use black pen and paint these places so that it will look dark. But if it is a black leather that you use, there's no problem. So after the gum is dried, you will stick the straps. So you apply your glue on both the insole and the outsole, and when it is dry, you last it this way. So friends, if you love this tutorial, please kindly give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.